Welcome to my channel one more time. I hope you are doing great. We're gonna make banana waffles. Wow, this is something easy that you can make at home. All you need is a banana. Just throw it in the food processor. You're gonna use 1 egg and a little bit of butter melted. And you can always add like vanilla extract or banana extract. And I'm gonna use this flour that you can always find in the supermarket. You're gonna use 1 cup, and instead of milk, we're gonna add 1 cup of cool water. Okay, so now you're gonna add a little bit of banana extract and put a lid and start processing everything for 1 minute. Now these waffles are gonna be fluffy, they're gonna be tasty, and what we're gonna do now is just pour everything in a cocktail shaker, or you can use a plastic cup, it doesn't really matter. But I like to add something else to my mixture here on my butter. Here you can find this, the buttermilk powder or flour that you can find in Costco supermarket. I'm gonna put 2 or 3 tablespoons of oats in there, and I'm gonna add more fiber. We're gonna add some golden flax seeds, 1 big tablespoon of it. And we're gonna add some chia seeds as well, 1 big tablespoon. Now this makes your waffles more interesting. There's more fiber. I like to add blueberries too. Just throw some in there and start mixing, combining everything. Of course, you're gonna need a waffle maker. I recommend the one that I use here because it's very good. After you mix everything, make sure your waffle maker is hot, already warm. And we're gonna use setting number 3, okay? Just start pouring 1/2 cup of it. And you're gonna close the lid. And in 3 minutes, you're gonna have some amazing waffles. Now, some people like to buy frozen waffles in supermarket because maybe they don't have time for that. But I prefer to make them at home. Now, instead of setting number 4, I like to do number 3 right there. This is a Brewville waffle maker. I'm gonna leave a link if you wanna buy it. It's one of the best. For me, there's no way. You're not gonna go wrong making waffle at home. Now you can toast them longer if you want. Some people prefer them like yellow color. I like my brown. And so after you make your first waffle, you keep making more, and you're gonna get around 4 waffles with these measurements that we use here. I don't like buying frozen waffles. There's nothing like making them at home because you can add blueberry, you can add omega-3, you can put like anything that you want, you know, and they're fresh, they're not frozen. And after that, just place them on a plate and then throw some more bananas, blueberries, you can put strawberries in there. But this is something that you should make for your kids. And please stop buying frozen waffles. I like to use maple syrup. And this could be a breakfast. It's not for eating every day. Just once in a while, it's something amazing. Now, I like to eat my waffle with a cup of coffee in the morning. And this is my breakfast that I sometimes have here at home. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.